Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know it's been a long time since I've uploaded, but honestly I just didn't feel inspired to upload and I didn't know what to film. And I also was in the transition of getting a new job and I finally got that job and you know it's full-time, so I just didn't have time and I wasn't inspired. Today I am back with a vlog. I love vlogging and it was really fun vlogging today, and I really have missed being in front of the camera and filming videos for you guys, so I'm really happy to be back. Please leave me a comment down below and tell me what video you would like to see from me next, because I still just don't know what to film and I feel like YouTube is not the same anymore. So I just don't know like what to film these days. I'll think of something, but I'm gonna try to upload every Saturday, and yeah, I hope you guys are excited. Without further ado, let's get into this vlog. He always does this. Just barks and barks and barks for me to throw the ball. And this goes on all day. We actually got him a huge thing of tennis balls from eBay. Like so many that they didn't even fit in his toy basket. We had to put them in here. I mean, it's crazy. There's our little Sharky doing his chores. Hey! Hey! You wanna vlog? So I usually just watch some YouTube workout videos and do that for my workout every day. I don't do anything more than 30 minutes. I have been loving Pamela Reif. She has like the best workouts and there's no talking, well, except for this video. Oh no, I just hit restart. That's not what I wanted to do. Her videos are like super good. I'm always sore the next day after I do these, and I love them. So this one is a 20-minute booty and thighs with weights, which I've done this one many times. It's my favorite. So I just use this weight. I know this looks so weird. They were my boyfriend's weights. Kind of different looking, but this is about like 20 pounds and I'm just gonna follow along with I am gonna go shower because I am so ow, oh my gosh, I'm gonna go shower because I am so sweaty, so I'll be back. Okay, so I just got out of the shower and got dressed. And now I'm gonna clean my bathroom. Here is the before. And now I'm gonna wipe everything down and clean it up. Okay, so the bathroom is all clean and now I'm going to blow dry my hair. I just put this Pureology Color Fanatic Multitasking Leave-In Spray in, and then I brushed my hair out and now I'm gonna blow dry it. So yeah. Okay, so today I'm going to curl my hair. So I'm going to section it half up, half down. I'm gonna start with the bottom layer. I'm just gonna use this curling wand that's super old. I think it's like a 1.5 inch, 1 inch, I'm not sure. I'm gonna wrap my hair around it and then leave like a little bit out. And that is that. Now I'm going to do this section and then I'll do the last one after that. I don't know if you guys can hear my dog barking in the background. He is obsessed with us throwing the ball for him and he will just stay out there all day. And it's cold out, so I should probably go throw the ball for him and be a good dog mom. And then I should get him back inside because it's literally like 10 degrees, but he doesn't ever want to come in. If he could, he would just stay outside all day and play with this ball. Hi. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I do have a cold. It's not COVID, but I have been sick all week. I don't really get sick, so it really sucks. Oh my gosh, my curling iron turned off. That happens to me a lot, and I'll be curling my hair. I'll do like a whole side of my head and then realize that it wasn't even on, and then I have to redo it. Let me know if that happens to you guys ever, because I feel like it happens to me all the time. I like click the button off or like unplugs and then I'm curling my hair for no reason. So my boyfriend and I moved into this house about a year ago, a little over a year ago, and we have just been, you know, remodeling, and it kind of started off like an old looking dated house, but we painted the walls, you know, he did this fireplace, and we're slowly fixing it up. But yeah, I mean, there's some things I don't like the brown woodwork. I would like to paint all of that white. Eventually, we'll probably paint all that. This is my family room. I got these black couches, fireplace. Here's the kitchen, very dated fridge and cabinets, but I think we are gonna paint these soon. Either like white or like a dark gray or something. And then here, my boyfriend put in this flooring, which I love. It actually used to be yellow carpeting, which was so ugly. So I was very excited to get this new flooring. This is the living room. This is pretty big, and I like how like open concept it is. And then we just put this TV in here, so this is like really nice to just chill and watch TV and look outside. I love this big window. And then here's our dining room. The chandelier came with the house, but I really like it. I think it looks pretty and vintage. I feel like I'm giving you guys an impromptu house tour. I don't know. I mean, the house isn't finished, so maybe when it's all finished, I can give you guys a whole tour of it. Here's the bathroom, as you guys saw, and then my beauty room. This is where I get ready in the morning. We put all new carpeting in all these rooms. It's kind of like a light gray. And then here is our bedroom. I am washing the sheets and the bedding, so that's why that looks like that. But that's what that looks like. And then here we have the guest bedroom. We got a TV, and it's kind of like a mix of me and then my boyfriend. He likes all the wood colors. I'm like white, 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 white. Like, this is just all me. It's kind of like a mix between him and I in this house. So that is my house. Yeah, I like it. I like living here, but we are fixing it up and it needs a little bit more work. So yeah, I gotta throw the ball for Buddy. I forgot to show you guys this bathroom. This is just the, you know, guest bathroom, and I just went to Walgreens and got some pictures printed out, and then I went to Walmart and got some picture frames, and I put them around the house and brought a couple to work for my cubicle. I love this picture of Buddy and I. It's so cute. And I don't know what else to say. I'm waiting for my laundry to be done. I'm washing my sheets like I said. So once that's done, I can make my bed. Today's just like a boring day. I don't know why I chose to film today. I do actually have some laundry to put away, as you guys probably saw when I showed you the guest bedroom. So let's put this away. And the lighting is not good in this room at all, so sorry. I guess I can turn the light on, but then it's like yellow lighting. I don't know if that's better or worse. I forgot to say goodbye. So I am just hopping on here to say thank you guys so much for watching my vlog. I am so excited to be back on YouTube. Oh gosh! Thank you guys so much for watching this vlog, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!